we're going to start off with our Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right. Let's take a look at our month. It is February, and it is the 9th day. Friends, we're sitting quietly. 9th day of February. Tomorrow is the 10th day of February, and we have no preschool because it is Wednesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Here we go. Days of the week. Clap your hands. Snap your fingers. Let me hear you. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Snap those fingers. Days of the week. Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. It is Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. Now let's take a look at our pattern. Our pattern goes groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Ready? Say it with me. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog. All right, let's say it again, starting right here at the first one. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog. There we go. We'll be back here on Thursday, but that depends on if we have any of this. What is it? Snow. Snow, snow, snow. All right, we predicted sunny weather for today. Is it sunny outside? No, it is not. What was it doing outside? Raining. It is raining outside. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Cloudy? Snowy? Partly sunny with finishing with some snow. I'll take that day. All right. Here we go. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Z, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're counting all the way to 20. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo-hoo! All right, we're counting backwards from 10. Here we go. Big voice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, looking for some shapes. What shape is green? Circle. What shape is red? Diamond or rhombus. What shape is gray? Oval. Great, looking at some colors. What color is fear? Purple. Fear is purple. What color is my chocolate? Brown. What color are the elephants? Gray. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, down the mouse ran. Hickory Dickory Dock. All right, what number is this? 10. How about this one? 4. 7. Let's count the ovals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, what number is that? 9. 1. Excellent. 5. And we have worked on the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, and we are on the letter C. What does C say? For cookies. Carl from up. Cat. And Cogsworth. Yes, they all start with the letter C.
And can I get a Coke?
Depends.
On what?
We're sitting quietly. Skip. So many buttons to push just to watch one thing. This is Carl from Up. If you haven't seen the movie Up, this is Carl. His name starts with the letter C. This is Carl. Let's see, where is he? He's riding down the steps. Because he can't walk down them. So he rides that so he can go down the steps. Oh, he's eating his breakfast. He's washing his windows. What did he put on? And what's his name? Carl. Carl is from the movie Up, and he starts with the letter C. Carl. All right, let's go ahead and start making our... Oh, I just did that. And this is how... Let's build our letter. Getting our mats out. We're working on that magic C. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Hey, you gotta put that back into your mat, buddy. Can you do that?
Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? At the top, you're pointing.
Start your letters at the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember starting at the top, going down to the bottom. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at
The top. Here we go. Ah. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Oz. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle. It's the top.
Where do you start your letters
At the top. All right, we are making the magic C. The magic C. Whoops, open 2 files. Nope, I don't want that. We have our big curve on our mat. Put it on your mat. You put it on top. Nope, your big curve on top. Look at right up here. He has a big curve on top. So when I make the magic C, I start at the top and I follow the curve around and then I stop. So to make the magic C, I show you how I start at the top. I go this way now to make that curve. Stop at the bottom, look and see, and I go like this. That magic C, so I'm pointing to my magic C, and then I take my 2 thumbs. Looks good to me, and I point to myself. All right, let's sing it together. Fingers at the top. Push play. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. I got 3 doing it. Good job. All right, I had 3 friends showing me pointing to their C and then pointing to themselves. All right, let's try it one more time. Fingers at the top. We're going to sing along. Make the magic C. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this